The civil authorities has issued a civil emergency message for Redville PL, Orangeville PL, Yellowville PL, Greenville PL, Blueville PL, Purplateville PL, Plush City PL, Clinton PL, Pacific PL, Green PL, Jackson PL and Floodtown PL effective from 6:52 p.m. until 10:06 p.m. An extremely dangerous individual, who was killing people and causing extreme damage, is extremely dangerous. All residents in the Mikesburg area is requesting to stay vigilant immediately. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television stations, or media outlets for any information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Emergency Management Agency. The extremely dangerous individual who was previously unnamed, his name that the individual revealed his name, but his new name is Hunter Error. All residents in the Mikesburg area is requested to seek shelter immediately. Stay away from Hunter Error, as you will be in life or great danger. Please tune to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television stations.
Hello, I'm Hunter Error. Do you remember me? I'm going to get you soon.
My God, it is a beautiful day. It's not raining. Oh my God. Right. I got jump scared by Hunter Error.
Same random number. Oh no, I gotta perfectly get in the middle here, in case it shrinks to 0. Okay, we're good. I mean, we're really not good, but we're alive for now. Oh, I got a random gear. I'm sure a taco will help me get this win. Can't go a game without these missiles, and my plate is too small to really dodge them, and I'm right by the wall, so they could spawn right here, and I'm just dead. Oh, I got extra health. Let's go. Death fears me. Guys, I don't think I'm beating that. I think it's just over for me. Oh, I got a pillar. And now a dice is spawning in. Oh no. Oh. There goes Mr. Death Fears Me. Oh. That was scary. Oh, I got the bomb. Oh no. Surely I'm out of range. Oh no, not the drift. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, but I am drifting towards this person, so I could just live on their plate. Or not, my plate just got deleted. Oh, we're in a desert this time. Royale mode. No power.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Plush City County Emergency Management Agency. Robert the Shark Error, II, is causing widespread, extensive destruction. Hunter Error is killing people and causing widespread extensive damage. All residents in the Mikesburg area is requested to evacuate immediately. Don't panic. Panicking makes the situation, especially when before evacuating, escalate. Please listen to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, television stations or media outlets for the latest updates on this situation. This is a national emergency ongoing. Please listen and follow instructions. This is a national emergency ongoing. Please listen and follow instructions. This is a national emergency ongoing. Please listen and follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brookhaven County Emergency Management Services. An extremely deadly situation is happening in the Brookhaven, Robloxia State area. Hunter Error and Robert the Shark Error, the second, is causing extreme, catastrophic damage and detonating nuclear bombs if his demands are not met. If you refuse to, but, unfortunately he will detonate it. All residents in the Brookhaven and surrounding areas is requested to prepare to be in a fall out shelter immediately. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and FM and AM radio for any information, not television stations because they might hijack the studio and jump scare people. For any information.
The civil authorities has issued an emergency action termination form with PL, Orangeville PL, Yellowville, Greenville PL, Blueville PL, Purpleville PL, Plush City PL, Clinton PL, Pacific PL, Green PL, Jackson PL, and Floodtown PL effective from 8:23 p.m. until 10:23 p.m. Message from MBR Latvin. Hunter Error and Robert the Shark Error have been caught by the Mikesburg City Police. All residents in the Mikesburg area is to get out of their shelters. The civil authorities has issued an emergency action termination form with PL, Orangeville PL, Yellowville, Greenville PL, Blueville PL, Purpleville PL, Plush City PL, Clinton PL, Pacific PL, Green PL, Jackson PL, and Floodtown PL effective from 8:23 p.m. until 10:23 p.m. Message from MBR Latvin. Hunter Error and Robert the Shark Error have been caught by the Mikesburg City Police. All residents in the Mikesburg area is to get out of their shelters.